Looking for a powerhouse desktop that's built for top-tier performance and precision? The CLX Set PC delivers just that. This has been highly recommended by many, so make sure to grab yours today through the link in the description below. At its core, it's fueled by the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D processor running at 4.2 GHz, engineered to deliver seamless speed, multitasking, and reliability, no matter how demanding the task. Whether you're deep into rendering, streaming, or high-performance work, this system doesn't hold back. What really sets this machine apart is its Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card. This GPU brings lifelike visuals and incredibly detailed imagery, elevating your experience with smooth and sharp output. From creative workflows to everyday usage, you'll notice just how much smoother and crisper everything feels. Combine that with the large 96 MB cache size, and you've got processing power that's responsive, efficient, and tuned for serious performance. Storage is another key highlight here. The built-in 2 TB NVMe M.2 SSD means not only faster boot times and file access, but also enough room for all your essential apps, software, and media. Say goodbye to slow load screens or delays in file transfers. Backing it all is 32 GB of DDR5 RGB memory, which not only keeps multitasking fluid but adds a stylish aesthetic to the system. Keeping things cool under pressure is the 360mm AIO liquid cooling system. This ensures your system maintains optimal temperatures, even under heavy loads. It's engineered for quiet, efficient performance, which means you can focus without the distraction of fan noise or overheating concerns. And with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you're all set with the latest interface and features right out of the box. Connectivity is covered with both built-in Wi-Fi and wired network options. No matter where your setup is located, you'll have reliable internet access for downloads, updates, or streaming. The overall design showcases CLX's dedication to premium craftsmanship and functionality, with every component carefully selected and expertly assembled. Plus, with dedicated support, you're backed by a team that stands by their build. If you're in the market for a performance desktop that blends speed, style, and stability, this one checks all the boxes. This has been highly recommended by many, so make sure to grab yours today through the link in the description below.